Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to outline a cell in Google Sheets. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, simply select the cell that you want to outline. Now, head over to this top row and find where you have borders. Click on it, and now select the border type that you want, so outer borders. Now you can see that the cell has outline, and you can change the outline style. So you can change the color. Let's say I will change it to red, and you can also change border style. So let's set it to bold. Right now your table has a bolder and red it should be. Select the first one if you want all boulders. So this is how you outline a cell in Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.